Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here. So today I'm giving you 4 easy DIY Easter basket ideas. Everything that I have here came from Dollar Tree, so stay tuned. Okay, so for the first one, we're going to take a simple mason jar. You can get these from Dollar Tree on the kitchen aisle, I believe, where they have all the glassware. So we're just going to take some jelly beans, some of the double bubble, and 1 chocolate. So simple. Open up the jelly bean. Then you're just going to take the top and put it back on. Very simple. And now for the second one, we're just going to take this little basket. We're going to take some of the Easter grass. This stuff stretches out a lot, so you don't need a lot of it. I'm going to take one of the chocolate from this pack. Put that inside. And I'm going to take a few of these, maybe 2. And I'll put some of the jelly beans in there. Put that inside. Some of the gumballs. I'm going to take 1 pack of these. This is a 3-pack of the card games. And then I'm just going to take a pack of these bubbles and place that inside also. And there you have it. Another simple and easy Easter basket. Okay, so for the third basket, I'm going to use this bucket that I got from Dollar Tree. This is how deep it is. To give my item some height, I'm going to add some yellow tissue paper from Dollar Tree. You don't have to do that. You can add additional bags of the grass. Now I'm just going to stuff my grass in there. So that's what it looks like. You can see the height from here. And then the only thing that I didn't get from Dollar Tree was this custom bag of chips. If you're interested in how I made these, comment down below and I'll do a video for that. But this is just what it is. And on the inside, I have a pack of Doritos. So I'm going to place my chips here. And then I'm just going to add the other things that I got from Dollar Tree. So I got this pink cup. They had them in different colors. I also got blue. I believe they had purple and yellow. So I'm just going to add the cup there. Gonna add my little duck, also from Dollar Tree. Similar to the other baskets, I'm gonna put these cards in there. About there. I'm gonna add 2 packs of the bubbles. And then Dollar Tree also had these cards. They're egg, like similar to eggs. You can open them and stuff things inside. I'm not gonna put anything inside, but I'm just gonna place it right here. Let's see. And then I have another pink one. I'm gonna add one of these decorative eggs. I would add more, but I ran out, so just gonna place that about there. And then if you want, you can take the jelly beans and place them inside, or you can put them inside of the little eggs. So that is pretty much it. Okay, for the next one or the last one, we're going to be doing like a candy basket. I did one similar to this for Valentine's Day, so you can check that one out. But you're going to need a glue gun, glue sticks, 4 boxes of candy to make the basket, and then one of these floral foams. You can choose to use the floral foam without the plastic or with the plastic. I'm going to use it without the plastic. But the first thing that I'm going to do is, these are not the exact same size, but they are the same height. The first thing I'm going to do is hot glue them together to form the basket. Next, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock to form the base or bottom of the basket. You can use whatever color you want. You can even use cardboard, but cardstock is all I had, and red is the only color that I had. But you're not going to be able to see it anyway. Next, you're going to glue your box down onto the cardstock. Next, you're going to glue the foam onto the cardboard. Now you're going to fill the additional space with the Easter grass. Next, glue down your stuffed animal onto the foam. Now I'm just going to begin to insert all of the additional items that I have for the basket. Thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope this video gave you the inspiration you need to make your very own DIY Easter baskets. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.